Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. As the Caribbean single market and economy deepens integration across the region, CSME Director Leo Prevail is urging university students to capitalize on the opportunities available through the CARICOM Skills Certificate regime. Speaking during a recent visit to the University of the West Indies, Mr. Prevail expressed concern that many students are unaware of the doors it can open for business and employment across the region.
Rationally, you would have seen if there is a job opportunity, and once you know there's a job opportunity, you have your skill certificate, you go to the member state, you present it at the border, and with that skill certificate you automatically have the right to enter for at least 6 months and to work, and you don't need a work permit. Once you're in this country and you're employed, you have a right then to get your skill certificate presented to the accreditation entity, where it will be verified, and then you will get an indefinite stay stamp, and you are free to work. So this is an immediate approach.
The director says intra-regional mobility is not just a policy goal, it's an economic necessity. He believes by encouraging the movement of skills, the region can maximize its human capital and drive innovation and support small business expansion across borders.
Our engagement with UE students today in this fireside chat was to, in a nutshell, expose them to some of the key issues in the CSME, and also to get their own experience, lived experience, as to how it has worked or not worked for them.
Weeks after the U.S. travel advisory upgrade, at least one hotel in St. Ann is already painting a positive outlook for the weeks leading up to the summer. The management of the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel says it's also working to improve the welfare of its employees. It's been 3 weeks since the U.S. State Department upgraded Jamaica's travel advisory to level 2. Since the upgrade, there have been much discussions about the possible impact on Jamaica's tourism product. Already, the Grand Bahia Principe Hotel in St. Ann is already seeing positive signs. Jone Guerra is the managing director of the hotel.
Our pickup in terms of reservation is getting better, compared to previous weeks. So we have a lot of hope that this will definitely have a bigger impact during the summer.
He explained that approximately 75% of their clients travel from North America, and the United States accounts for a significant portion of that figure. It's early days yet, but the development has left the management looking ahead with optimism.
I believe that the summer and the final quarter of the year is going to have better occupancy and better rates. Hopefully with this advisor can help us to be more competitive against other destinations, and that they can choose Jamaica for their perfect vacation.
Meanwhile, the hotel, like many others island-wide, faced disruptions last year after workers staged protests demanding better wages and improved working conditions. The management intervened. However, Mr. Guerra wants to strengthen partnerships with stakeholders.
I believe that the summer and the final quarter of the year is going to have better occupancy and better rates. Hopefully with this advisor can help us to be more competitive against other destinations, and that they can choose Jamaica for their perfect vacation.
Anthony Lug. The JSE index advanced by 326 points, while the junior market index declined by 26 points. The winners included Access Financial Services, Epley Caribbean Property Fund Limited SCC, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Lasco Distributors, and JMMB Group Limited 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares. The losers included Sterling Investments Limited US dollar shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, Berger Paints, ISP Finance Services, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers, 20 stocks traded firm. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.01. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $117.97. The pound is going for $215.18, while the euro is going for $186.60. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lug. News from overseas after the break.